Filtering registrations and transactions. Filtering attendee records is one of the most useful features of CONREGO, which will help you manage attendees and apply other features that rely on the attendee database. Filters will help you narrow down the list view and download XLS files limited to the selected group in the attendees section. Narrow down the list view and process payments in the transactions section. Send emails and SMS messages to specific target groups using the communication module. Generate data summaries limited to attendees who meet certain criteria in the Report Generator module. Personalize documents for specific groups of attendees using the Document Personalization module. Working without filters can be cumbersome, so it's worth mastering and using them. I will show you how, using the Attendees section as an example. Our sample list of attendees contains 20 records, which differ, among other things, by ticket type and registration statuses. After clicking the Filter button, a window will appear allowing us to set filtering criteria for attendee registrations by ticket type, registration status, registration language, offer elements selected during registration, offer elements where attendee presence was recorded via the Access Control module, event attendance recorded using the Check-in module, keywords, and registration date. Criteria can be combined to narrow down the group affected by the filter to the necessary shape. For example, you can select one of the ticket types and one of the statuses, and add a keyword in the chosen field. Within the criterion selector, you can also select multiple options, such as completed and paid registrations. No matter what filter you need, you can save it for later use in other system modules. Each saved filter can also be loaded and deleted. Filtering the list can be done by clicking the Filter button or by selecting one of the saved filters in the Active Filter selector. See how easy it is. You can now apply saved filters when sending emails and SMS messages, generating reports, and personalizing PDF files with tickets and badges.